Hi guys, it's Ella and Sophie here from Tonic Studios. If you didn't catch us in the live on Friday, we just wanted to remind you that we have an upcoming competition to celebrate World Card Making Day, which is happening on Saturday the 2nd of October.
Yes, very exciting stuff. So we are giving away £25 to spend on the website, and also a chance for your card to feature on our Instagram and Facebook as part of our World Card Making Day post. So all you have to do to enter is send us the best card and send us to
Ella and Sophie at Tonic Studios UK, PO Box 302, Bridgend, CF31 NHZ.
Yes.
And make sure you address it to Ella and Sophie, because then it'll come straight to us and we won't miss any of the entries.
Yeah. We'll have to get a little post box going on.
Yeah.
Little sack. Happy sack.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be announcing the winner on this week's show on Friday. So the competition will be closing at 11:59 on Thursday.
Yeah.
So that's BST, 30th of September.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but don't worry if you can't make it to a post box or you live too far away to get the cards in for Thursday night, 11:59 p.m. You can take a photo of your card, upload it to Instagram or Facebook, tag us in it, Tonic Studios, and use the hashtag Tonic Card Making Day, and we will see that, and every entry that is done that way will also be counted. I think we'll be sat here in the live next week, maybe with a little iPad, and we'll scroll through them then and show you all as well.
We'll still go through them, even if the digital entries, we'll go through those as well as the ones sent in.
Exactly.
Don't worry. When you send your cards in, don't forget to include a little note, just including your name and the tonic products you've used, because it'd be nice to know, you know what you've used, maybe even include if they're your favourite things to use. And I think that's it. So good luck.
We look forward to seeing all the entries, and we can't wait to see you on Friday.
See you then. Happy crafting.